Diagram 13 shows the design of the water rocket bottles, which consists of the combination of a hemisphere, a cylinder, and a cone. It is given that all the three shapes have the same radius. The height of the cylinder, the height here, is 4 times its radius. When you look at the diagram, you know that the radius of the cylinder is actually 5, right? So the height is 4 times its radius. That means 4 times 5, you will get 20 centimeters. And the height of the cone is the same as its radius. The radius of the cone is 5 centimeters also. Therefore, we know that the height is also 5 centimeters because the question tells us that the height of the cone is the same as its radius. If 1 over 3 of the volume of the bottles is filled with water, calculate the value of H. So what we need to do is to find the total volume of this entire composite solid first, and then we times 1 over 3, then we will be able to get the volume of the water inside this composite solid. Then we form an equation. The volume here is equal to 1 over 3 of the total volume of this composite solid, and we solve the equation, we should be able to get the value of H. Okay, let me show you what I mean. But before this, we need to know how do we find the volume of a sphere, the volume of a cylinder, and also the volume of a cone. To find the volume of a sphere, we use the formula 4 over 3 pi r cubed. How about cylinder? Pi r squared height. How about cone? 1 over 3 pi r squared height. So now I'm going to use this field formula to help me to find the total volume of this entire composite solid. Okay, volume of the composite solid, This is half of the hemisphere, therefore I'm going to take 1 over 2 times 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay, so this is the volume of the hemisphere, and then we go to cylinder, pi r squared height. Okay, so this is the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the cone. Don't forget, start with 1 over 3 or if you want to find the volume of a cone and also the volume of pyramid. 1 over 3 pi r squared height. Okay, so we just press our calculator. We should be able to get the total volume of this entire composite solid. 1 over 2 times 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay, this one you will get 5500 over 21. How about this one? Okay, this is 11000 over 7. Okay, let's calculate the last one. 1 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 25 times 5. Okay, so this is 2750 over 21. Okay, we just find the sum of these three terms. Okay, it's equal to 13750 over 7 cubic centimeters. And the question tells us that the water here is actually 1 over 3 of the total volume. So we take 1 over 3. Well, let me write this one for you first. One over 3 times this. 13750 over 7. Okay, is equal to 13750 over 21 cubic centimeters. Okay, next step is to form the equation, and then we should be able to get the value of h. So this is h. If this is 5, here will be h minus 5, right? This is 5. This is h minus 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. And we know that the volume here is actually equal to this. So we need to form an equation. How do we find the volume here? Still using the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. Pi r square. Pi r square. Height. The height is h minus 5. Plus the height of the cone, 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3 pi. Okay, let me move it over here. 1 over 3 pi r square height. Okay, this is equal to this. 13750 over 21, right? So the next step is to solve this equation, find the value of h. Let me press this one first, calculate this part first. 1 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 25 times 5 is equal to 2750 over 21. Okay, how about this one? 22 over 7 times 25, which is equal to 550 over 7 times h minus 5. Okay. So this is equal to this minus this, right? 550 over 7 times h minus 5 is equal to this minus this. 13750 over 21 minus 2750 over 21. Okay, so here you will get 11000 over 21. Okay, h minus 5 is equal to this divided by this. You will get 20 over 3. And last step, h is equal to this plus this. Okay, the equation is, the answer, the value of h is 11 and 2 over 3. Okay, this is our answer, the value of h.